Assalamu alaikum and very good day. My name is Dr. Javed Iqbal. Welcome to my new lecture on challenges and opportunities in machine learning. I have prepared this session for the students of MS and PhD in computer science. I hope this would be helpful for you guys. Before start of this lecture, if you have not watched my earlier session on standard machine learning pipeline, you may watch on my YouTube channel or the link given in the description. I have prepared this slide very carefully. I tried my best to show the major challenges in machine learning. I divided this slide into three parts. The first part shows challenges in data modeling. The second part shows challenges in model implementation. And the third part shows challenging research areas in machine learning. First, we will look into the challenges in data modeling. The first challenge that most of the machine learning practitioners may face is feature engineering. During feature engineering, selection of an appropriate feature extraction technique based on selected data is applied. If our data is image, then we have to apply different image descriptors. If we are dealing with data of audio or video, then we have to apply some other technique. So feature engineering is done based on our experimental data. The next challenge in machine learning is based on heterogeneous data types. Since while working with machine learning, we may deal different type of data. The data may be combination of text, images, or numeric data. The next is imbalanced class data. Sometime when we have gathered data, the number of classes in our experiment may vary. The number of instances in each class may also vary. So this may cause an issue while we are modeling this for a particular problem. So imbalanced class data may have problem while we are implementing machine learning models for different tasks. The next is the noisy or corrupted data. When we are working on a data, the data may be noisy or corrupted. The noisy data may be obtained from any equipment or experiment that does not reflect the actual values. And the second problem here is the data may be corrupted during transmission. The next challenge is missing or incomplete data. So while we are working especially on numeric data, some values may be missing or not a number values. So first we have to fill those values in order to proceed. The most important problem that may arise during machine learning is the high data dimensionality. Since the data we have obtained from different experiments through feature engineering or through any other method, the data may have high dimensions. The dimensions may be in hundreds or thousand features. From those features, only few features may be significant and others may be less significant. There might be chances that many of features may be redundant or may not contribute during modeling. So we have to remove those features. We may apply different data dimensionality reduction technique like PCA or other correlation based techniques. All these challenges, feature engineering, heterogeneous data type, imbalanced class data, noisy or corrupted data, missing or incomplete data, or high dimensionality data falls under the challenges in data modeling. In the next part, I will discuss challenges in model implementation. The first challenge that we face here is insufficient training of learning model. So while we are implementing a machine learning model, we have missed some important things like our model is not converged well, we have insufficient number of training iterations, model parameters and their values are not optimized. The next challenge is dealing with overfitting and underfitting. While we are working in machine learning to solve various problems, our models may sometimes overfit or underfit. Incorrect data partition for training or testing. Type of cross-validation used. The next challenge is evaluation of prediction results. While implementing machine learning for solving variety of problems, we have to use suitable measures for performance evaluation. Classification for a numerical data, we may use different performance measurement metrics like accuracy, sensitivity, specificity, recall, or F-measure. While for image detection and recognition, we may use average precision or mean average precision. The next challenge is scaling of standard ML algorithm to massive datasets. Since most of the machine learning algorithms are developed for not a large amount of data, so we have to scale those algorithms so that they can deal with large or big amount of data. The next major challenge that we may face during implementation of machine learning techniques is the resource and time requirements. Sometimes we may not have high performance computing machines to perform the task in a given amount of time. Or sometimes we may have some deadlines and we have to meet those deadlines to complete the task on time. The next challenge is the selection of suitable implementation tool. So when we involve machine learning to solve different type of problem, we may have to use a variety of implementation tools. The most pioneer tools include MATLAB, Python, R, etc. There are various other tools, but for computer sciences and for my students, I always encourage them to use MATLAB or Python to solve their problems using machine learning. So the challenges of insufficient training of learning model, overfitting, underfitting, evaluation of prediction results, scaling of standard machine learning algorithm to massive data sets, resource and time, and selection of suitable implementation tool falls under challenges in model implementation. In the next part, I have shown some challenging research areas. In those areas, advanced search can be carried out using machine learning. The first challenging area is automated taxi or self-driving car. The second is the robotics engineering. The next area is computer vision. The next challenging area is face or object recognition in complex conditions. The next is natural scene or outdoor image detection and recognition. The next is the speech recognition and translation. Then next, natural language processing or language modeling. Time series or sequential data modeling is also a challenging area. Medical imaging, biological data analysis and modeling also need to be explored using machine learning. The new area that have potential for machine learning, cryptocurrency and blockchain. There are multidisciplinary research problems that can be solved using machine learning. So in this session, I tried my best to show you various type of challenges during the data modeling in model implementation. So if you are planning to start research in machine learning or related areas, you may have to go through these major challenges. There are variety of techniques that have been proposed in literature to solve such type of problems. In my next lectures on machine learning, I will provide different types of techniques that can be used to solve these type of challenges. I hope this video will be very useful for you. Thank you very much for watching this video.